Machine learning AI. AI that improves its performance through experience without being explicitly programmed for each task. Machine learning, knowledge acquisition. Machine from Middle French machine via Latin māchina and Greek mākhanā, replacing the Old English searu. Learning from Middle English lerninge, derived from learn and ing, an act of learning, accumulate knowledge. ML has transformed AI by allowing algorithms to learn and improve autonomously using data for model training. Machine learning has led to breakthroughs in fields like image recognition, speech processing, and natural language understanding. Want to learn more about word origins? Subscribe for daily discoveries.